We're coming up to Wilson and Red Cedar, and it's the Urban Planning Landscape Architect Building, Media Center. That's the College of Engineering over there. That's straight ahead. And that's our Communication Arts and Sciences building there on the right. Wow, this guy has no intention of slowing down. Okay, you gotta be careful of those guys. Jeez. That building there is the Speech and Hearing Center. And a little further down here, across the street from the ComArts building, we've got another parking ramp. And the police and parking station are right here across the street from ComArts Public Safety. And inside this parking ramp, we have one more secure bike parking facility that I'd like to show you real quick. This is also one of the two big bus stations servicing campus. So this bike parking facility is right inside here. I'll just show you real quick. There's an ATM there. And another similar looking facility that's secure card access, that you just swipe your card here and you can lock your bike up in here and not worry about people messing with it. Do-it-yourself station in there as well, which is also at the other facility. So you can get access to this facility through MSU Bikes. All right.